CEAT Limited Q3 FY26 results, margins expand amid export surge. CEAT Limited has reported a strong set of numbers for the third quarter of FY26, with its consolidated net profit rising to 212 crore rupees, representing a 15% increase compared to the same period last year. This growth was achieved through a strategic focus on premiumization and a significant rebound in international demand, particularly from European and North American markets. The company's revenue from operations stood at 3,245 crore rupees, marking a 9% year-on-year growth. This top-line expansion was supported by steady volume growth in the passenger vehicle and two-wheeler tire segments, even as the commercial vehicle segment faced a slight slowdown due to seasonal factors. One of the key highlights this quarter is the expansion of EBITDA margins to 14.2%. CEAT successfully navigated the fluctuations in natural rubber prices by implementing calibrated price hikes in the replacement market and optimizing its sourcing mix. The company's focus on operational efficiency has helped it maintain profitability despite rising energy costs. Similar to other major corporations this quarter, CEAT recognized a one-time exceptional charge of 18.5 crore rupees related to the reassessment of employee benefit obligations under the new Labour Codes 2025. Excluding this one-time impact, the company's underlying operational performance was even stronger than the reported figures suggest. In the domestic market, the replacement segment remains the biggest contributor to the bottom line. CEAT's Cross-Drive and Secura Drive ranges continue to gain market share in the premium SUV and luxury car segments. Furthermore, the company's entry into the specialized EV-specific tire category is showing early success, with several OEMs choosing CEAT as their primary fitment partner for new electric models. CEAT's export revenue grew by 22% this quarter, outperforming the domestic business. The company has been aggressively expanding its distribution footprint in Latin America and the Middle East, reducing its over-dependence on the Indian market and hedging against local cyclicality. Management, led by MD or CEO Arnab Banerjee, indicated that the company's capital expenditure for the year remains on track. CEAT is investing in the capacity expansion of its Halol and Chennai plants to meet the projected demand for off-highway and passenger radial tires. The company's debt-to-equity ratio remains at a healthy 0.6x, providing ample room for future growth. Looking ahead, SEAT expects raw material prices to stabilize in the final quarter of the fiscal year. With the winter crop of rubber coming into the market and a robust pipeline of new product launches in the agriculture and specialty tire segments, the company is well positioned to end FY26 on a high note. In conclusion, Q3 FY26 has been a quarter of resilience and strategic growth for SEAT. By balancing domestic leadership with aggressive international expansion, the company is proving its ability to deliver consistent value in a competitive global tire market. The stock market moves fast, and missing one update can cost you. To stay ahead with the latest company news, quarterly results, and order wins, hit that subscribe button now. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a market beat.